Okay, the Brachiosaurus is following me inside. Now watch this awesome trick. Splutter, watch out. How cool was that? Snap. That couldn't have gone any better, even when I do say so myself. Vroom. Slam. Dr. Wu, we've got the situation under control. But we've got to figure out what to do next. The solution is quite simple, Mr. Grady. The solution is quite simple, Mr. Grady. The effects of the serum will soon start to wear off. Once they have, the two dinosaurs should go back to normal. I sure remember how you got the two serums mixed up in the first place. Poof! Oh, and it's clear. It seems like the T-Rex is starting to get a bit more aggressive and walking around fast again, as it should. That's good news. What about the Brachiosaurus? She's much calmer, now, but doesn't want to move. We've tried everything, but she won't even get up. Rack! I've just had an idea. Dr. Wu, I need to borrow your baby raptor. Please don't let it out again. Do you know how long it took to catch it? Later, back at the paddock with the Brachiosaurus inside. She's still not moving. Maybe my little friend can help motivate her. Rack. Jump! That's it. Jump, bounce, jump. I think it's working. That's it. She finally heading out. Claire, the Brachiosaurus is heading out of the paddock. Is the T-Rex keen to move back in yet? Rack. Yeah. The T-Rex is very keen now. Then don't... What? Do what you can to bring it back here. And be quick. Jump, honk, honk. That's it, T-Rex. Come on and follow the horn. Roar! It's following us. I'm not sure this is a great idea. Awesome. No more, please. The Brachiosaurus is out, Claire. We're ready for you. We're here. As soon as the Jeep is inside, we're going to stop and then run as fast as we can. Vroom! Roar! Go! Jump! Screech! Crush! Oh, and the T-Rex is back in the paddock. How's the Brachiosaurus? Slam! She's doing great. I've just got another problem. Another little problem to take care of, though. Rack. Jump! Later, outside Henry Wu's laboratory. Thank you for your help, Mr. Grady. And you too, Claire. It was more exciting than I thought it would be. Jurassic World is never dull. I'm curious though. Where did the idea of making all those serums actually come from? Owen, Claire, Dr. Wu. My serum idea didn't quite work out, but I have some more great ideas I wanted to run past y'all. Mr. Masrani, those dinosaur cookies really weren't that good. Sorry, Simon. We've got to go. Feeding time for the raptors. We have to run to some science stuff and all that. Rum, rack, run. Oh, and wait! This won't take long. I'll give you some free dinosaur cookies Dr. Wu made earlier. The end. Hope you guys have enjoyed this short comic. See you guys later. Peace.